Welcome to Hook to Knot. In this video tutorial, I am going to show you how to use your scrap yarn or threads and make a beautiful headband for the baby. You can make it in any size and you can make it even longer to make it a belt for your dress. I am going to use 2 strands of the thread. I am using anchor knitting cotton and 3.5 mm hook, chain 1 and one more chain. Now I will have 15 DCs in the magic circle. Why I have taken 2 strands? Because single strand of a thread will not give the strength to the tie thread. This one. Double strands give better strength. After 15 DCs in the magic ring, I am going to slip stitch on the top of very first DC and close the circle. You can pull this thread and close the center. Now I will chain 40. I am making 40 chains does not mean you have to make 40 chains. You can make 30, 40, 50 depending on the size you are making it for. After doing required length, what you are going to do is you can put a stitch marker, and now I am going to make 51 chains. So these are for tie, and 51 chains that I will make, they are for working. These 51 chains are for these 10 circles or 10 flowers that I am going to create. So I am going to make a single crochet in the very first chain. Then skip 2, and in the third chain I am going to make 6 DCs. Now I will again skip 2 and make a single crochet, 1 and 2. This line is very simple. Skip 2, in the third chain you will make 6 DCs. Again you will skip 2 and make a single crochet. Skip 2, 1 and 2 and single crochet. This is forming half side of the band. I will meet you after we are done with 10 half circles. I am done with 10 half circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now I am going to single crochet. Now this completes one side of the band. Now I will go to other side of the band and make a single crochet. You may have to pull the loop little longer and make the, see this. Now again in the same space where we did 6 DCs, we are going to make 6 DCs from the other side. This will complete our circle. After we are done with 6 double crochets, we are going to make a single crochet on the other side of the single crochet. The second half is very easy. It's just, you can say, return pass. So here we will use this as a center for 6 DCs, and here our next single crochet will come. And this is how the motif will look the moment we complete it. I will see you at the end of this motif. I am about to finish the band, so let me show you one last time. In this place I am going to make 6 DCs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now where we started, I had made one SC. I am going to go back to the same SC and make SC from the other side. This completes the band portion. Now whatever number of chains you had made, make them to the other side. After this, I am going to make chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, slip stitch into the first one. This again forms a circle. So 1, 2, 3, chain 3, turn your work and start making double crochets in the circle. After 15 DCs are done in the circle, I am going to slip stitch on the head of very first DC and also going to slip stitch into the chain that we have created so that everything stays together. I will pull up a loop little longer and then cut the yarn. All I need to do is weave in this end properly and my headband is ready.
Thank you, Sunday Mausi. Wow! आता टाळ्या.